In this question it is given that near the Earth's surface the time period of satellite is 1.4 hour. Find its time period if it is at a distance 4 hour from the center of Earth. We know the relation square of time period is directly proportional to cube of radius, or we can write this t is directly proportional to r raised to 3 by 2. So we can write the time period in second situation by time period in first situation is equal to radius of orbit in second situation by radius of orbit in first situation raised to 3 divided by 2. So this can be written as time period in second situation by time period in first situation is equal to radius in second situation becomes equal to 4r and radius in first situation is r, because initially it was nearer to the surface of Earth, so we can take it as orbital radius is equal to radius of Earth, and now the orbital radius is given as nothing but 4r from the center of Earth, so raised to 3 divided by 2. So we can cancel this r and this r, so it becomes equal to 4 raised to 3 by 2. So 4 raised to 1 by 2 is nothing but 2, so it is 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 3 is nothing but 8. So we can write the value of this T2 is going to be T1 into 8. The value of T1 is given as nothing but 1.4, so it's 1.4 into 8. 1.4 we can take it as nothing but root 2, so this we can take it as root 2 into 8.